Hi, I'm Caroline Wang, Head of Legal Operations at Ironclad. One question I hear all the time is how can I trust AI to help me review contracts faster? If your first reaction is, I don't want a robot practicing law, that's valid. You shouldn't trust AI to replace legal judgment. But you can trust AI to handle the repetitive parts of contract review so your team can focus on the hard calls. Modern AI for contract review excels at pattern-based work, flagging non-standard clauses, spotting missing terms, summarizing long agreements, and pulling out key dates, parties, and obligations. Think of it as your most efficient reviewer that never gets tired, bored, or distracted. What you don't want to outsource to AI is judgment. You still decide which risks matter for your business, when to accept or push back, and how to handle edge cases and nuance. In an effective AI contract review process, AI proposes, humans approve. So, how can you trust AI to help you review contracts faster? Trust it as a speed and consistency layer, never as your only reviewer. Used well, AI cuts the busy work, surfaces what matters, and gives your legal team more time for strategic counseling. That's the kind of AI-assisted contract review I'm comfortable with.